Hi everyone, it's nice to have you here. I am Dr. Gloria. Welcome to Ask Dr. Gloria channel, where health and wellness are made simple and easy to understand. Our logo here is Learn Smart and Live Well and Be Happy, right? Yes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your health and wellness questions you'd like us to discuss in future. I will be happy to help. Let's dive into what we have today. The quiz question contain multiple choice questions from different competitive and academic exams. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Pause the video if needed. Let's dive into questions about food fermentation. So test your IQ on how well you know food fermentation, how much you know about probiotics, about yeast, about prebiotics. Question 1. Which of the following is true about Saccharomyces cerevisiae? C. Question 2. What is the major gas produced by Saccharomyces cerevisiae during bread fermentation that causes dough to rise? By the way, how many of you baked? How many of you are bakers? Health professionals, health students, or if you're already practicing, I'm sure you're baking in your house or your patients are baking for you. Just a joke, by the way. So what is the answer? B. If you watch my previous video, I put this mnemonic here for you also. I said yeast is equal to beer, bread, and wine. Whenever you think about yeast, think about rising, think about fermentation, right? Whenever you think of lactobacillus, think about yogurt, think about cheese. Question 3. In cheese production, the curd is separated from the liquid portion of milk. What is this portion called? The wine. And by the way, put on the comment section an extra tip question for you. This wine is rich in what kind of vitamin? Put it in the comment section if you know the answer. Thank you. Question 4. As I said in my previous videos, familiarize yourself with different kind of MCQ questions or theoretical questions. Question 4 right here is about matching. So it says, match the type of fermentation with the correct food production example. A. Question 5. Which statement about fermentation food is false? C. Question 6. Which bacteria are primarily responsible for yogurt production through lactic acid fermentation? That is the LAF. If you've been following our YouTube questions, this question will be very easy for you to answer. B. In cheese making, rennet is used primarily to B. Question 8. Acetic acid fermentation, that is vinegar production, is carried out by C. Question 9. Probiotics are defined as B. I put a mnemonic here right here. Probiotic equals to Probiotics, what do they do? Do you take yogurt? What kind of probiotic food do you know, by the way? You can put on the comment section also. But the popular one everyone is familiar with, when you talk about probiotic, your mind goes straight to yogurt, right? Because they have because they have the good bacteria that your guts need. So, probiotics promotes gut health. They must be live culture at adequate amounts, by the way. So, question 10. This is related to the one you just answered. Which of the following best distinguish prebiotic from probiotics? These are two different things. B. So what does this tell you? Probiotics are live beneficial microorganisms, but when you talk about prebiotics, these are non-digestive food components that the probiotic microorganism feeds on. Question 11. In beer brewing, the process by which amylase enzymes convert grain starch into fermentable sugar is called B. Question 12. During when fermentation, Saccharomyces cerevisiae converts glucose primarily into what? C. Question 13. A starter culture, which is a very familiar terminology you should know when you're talking about fermentation. So, a starter culture in food fermentation refers to B. Question 14. Which microorganism group plays a key role in fermentation of curd meat, such as selim? B. If you've watched through till now, thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Until next time, I remain Dr. Gloria. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop your questions you want us to discuss about. Thank you.